Oh, my feet are on fire. Why do you even have us here today? We're supposed to social distance.
Man, I'm sorry. America, is your truck so hot that you can't enjoy it? We're gonna show you how to fix it right now. Stick around to the end of this video to find a brand new way on how to kill that heat.
It's a secret.
Engines create heat, and the exhaust system is what gets the heat out of the engine. Hence the reason the exhaust pipes are so dang hot. But using Heatshield armor is going to reduce that heat up to 70%, so keep watching if you want to reduce that heat from your exhaust as well.
Now we are going to get the truck hot and use the thermal camera to see what we need to shield.
We found the main issue was the heat coming from the mufflers and the pipes, causing the floor to be over 220 degrees. Now that's hot.
Now that we have identified the problem, let's show you how to fix it with our Heatshield armor. For this application, we're going to use our pipe armor kit and our new muffler armor kit that includes our power anchors. First, we are going to measure the area we need to shield.
Got those measurements?
You want metric?
This is America, President Carter.
Next, we are going to cut it. Here's a pro tip for everyone watching. In order to get a nice finished looking edge on your Heatshield armor, use a straight edge and lightly cut out 3/8 to 1/2 inch of the insulation. Now fold over the aluminum for a professional looking finished edge that will keep out debris and protect the insulation. Next, I will install the power anchors onto the muffler armor. Now that our prep is complete at the table, we'll move on to the installation. Always clean any exhaust pipes or mufflers of any type of debris or oily residue before you install the Heatshield armor. Use the included tie wire to secure the muffler armor kit. Use the included tie wire to secure the pipe armor kits.
Now that we have the install done, let's get this truck hot and see the armor in action.
Degrees. That's a huge difference.
So we went from what, 130?
Less than more than 100 degrees.
Yeah.
I'm really excited. The armor series underneath and the stealth shield up here really drop the temps inside from 230 something down to like 80, which is very doable. So when you're having the AC running, it stays nice inside. It's not heat soaking the whole cab, and it's just awesome.
All right, you waited. Now you're gonna see it. Heatshield Products Stealth Floor Shield. Check it out.